Good morning, good morning, good morning. Got the little villa set up.
Good morning.
Happy anniversary to my wife, 12 years. We're at Bear, I need you to
That's for him.
hey, pull
I'm gonna go professional for him.
pull cones out and the ladder out, and one soccer ball.
B.
I'll tell you when. I'll tell you where at least.
I got this.
Oh, that'll be too much. But it's okay. We don't need them. I'll make it work. Base A, you're gonna take at least 4 cones and make a big square. Over here. So let's start. All right, for me, go about 10. Yeah. So take out your cones. Let's start with 4 cones. Go about 10 steps away from me. Give or take. All right, now go up there, go up and make your square. The bigger the box, that's where you're gonna be inside for the most part. Or going around. That's fine, right? Yep, now go that way.
Do like the girl in the video, Bear? Train hard? Like your future wife? Oh, that is. It is. I say when y'all older.
Go. The train, you want to be the best? I'm gonna make sure you're the best. Don't touch the cones, and we good. Touch that cone, start over. Dribble the whole way, I'm good, whatever you do. Just don't stop dribbling. I didn't. Be careful with the sand getting in your face. Do enough, not too much. So listen, while you rest, listen, right? The first 7, you're gonna do 7 hopping in each box, 2 feet, right? 7 times. After the 7th time, do a lap with the ball around once. Once you do that lap, come back. Now you're gonna do side to side. 7 times, yes. Yes, 7 times. After that 7th time, again, go get that ball, dribble around once, a total of 3 times, right?
Yeah.
You know our 3, 7, 21?
Yeah.
All right, so the third one will be hop 1, side shuffle. hop, basically a mix of both. So the first one you're doing hopping, right? Right now, the first one you're hopping. The second one you're doing sides. The third one you're gonna do what? Hop, then sides. Try it.
So.
And then just go to the side. Either one, all right? Yep. Feel me? 7 times.
Okay.
On you. The first 7 is what? Just, yep.
Wait, let me go.
I know.
Try to do these 3. Hop. Yeah, hop, yeah. Basically hop and shuffle.
Hop, shuffle, shuffle all the way through. Hop, shuffle, and then get back in there and hop. It's a rhythm. You'll feel it. But the first one, it don't matter because you're doing what?
Hop.
All right, on you. Ball. Hey, come on, don't end off like that. Let's start. Come on, let's end. Oh, there you. Okay, I appreciate it. There you go. Let's not end on that note. Yeah. Yep. Next time you just finish through and go straight to the ball if you want to. Feel me? On you, go. Come on now. Around once. Ooh, that boy got feet like his daddy. Show me again, please. Oh gosh. How many you got? How many more? There you go. It's okay. Yeah. We don't do that. Yeah. Grab that hair. Grip that hair. He said he want to train, y'all. Well, let's train.
Oh my goodness gracious. Training is hard. It's hard, but in reality, it makes you better.
No hands. We don't do hands on our knees, bro. Grip the hair if you ain't ready yet. Grip the hair. How many more you got?
My stomach's twisting and turning.
Oh, he's really training today.
Well, I'm gonna.
She breathe.
Hey, get back.
He's hungry. Okay. Double bag, boy. Just next door to the room is a restaurant called Chad's.
You know what you want?
I don't. I'm leaning towards this.
No.
Somewhere over here I'm leaning towards. I don't know. Ooh. It is. Are you ready?
Hello and welcome to the House of Blues. You are about to enter this old house that we inherited in the middle of nowhere. And it turns out that this house is full of ghosts that want to play games with you. And they won't let you out unless you solve all their puzzles and clues. So follow the clues and you'll be able to escape.
We're still doing Mike versus food. Hella bro. Mr. Olympia?
Got on the plane with them.
Daddy, can you do like this?
What's more popular, the
Love you. Anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Molasses, banana, and jalapeno.
Banana.
Babe, jalapeno.
Yeah, like on the sides. It was drawings. It was like illustrations. Drawings. Like, where's my number? No, it's potatoes.
What'd you get, babe?
Wait, nothing's hot.
it's stuff.
Don't talk, okay? I'll tell you what
Can I touch it?
Yeah, but don't talk, okay? So Bear said this is mashed potatoes. I mean, I said don't talk. So
This is the chocolate souffle.
Oh yeah, that's alright.
You usually pour the sauce in the middle. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah, you go ahead.
That's good.
Yeah, like a lava.
So this is the bread pudding souffle over here. It's the same sauce. Whiskey cream sauce.
Make it up.
We old school 8 feet Silverado.
Would you ever sing Cairo there? Why? Good news is when we go back, we can still relax every day. Yeah. So this, that's your whole meal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, that was fine. Thank you.
Call me baby.